Behind the line. We'll start in 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Match number 69 here on the Milstein division. 71-74 going 1-2, just shy on the speaker. Blue Alliance starting to clean up the notes out of the middle of the field as their Alliance wing is already clear. Blue Alliance has the 3-note advantage going into the teleoperated period. 43-22 Clockwork on red, shooting one up high, getting ready to stockpile those notes on the red side. 64-13 getting ready to rotate into the amp. Usually this first cycle through the amp requires 3 notes, 1 for cooperation, 2 for the amplification. Speaking of co-op, we've gone from 0 to co-op in about 15 seconds here on the Milstein division. 78 airstrike, doing a airstrike of a note across the field. To their Alliance is 62-17, shooting one up high. Degrees of Freedom rotating into position. On the Blue Alliance, you can see the strategy there was helping robots stay in a lane, making sure that there isn't collisions between their objectives on the fields. Over on the red side, 45-01, the Humans getting ready for the second note into their amp. Minute and 20 seconds remain. Blue Alliance 6 notes away from a full-fledged speaker melody there. 1 and 2 up high for Blue, all hands on deck to score. Red Alliance now in that scoring cycle themselves, 71-74, sending one up high as well. Clockwork, 43-22, working like clockwork themselves as they pick up a note from the human player's source area, sending it back across the field to their Alliance. 64-13, Degrees of Freedom, wings up, reaching high, placing a note into the amp. Airstrike again, sending more notes their Alliance's direction, trying to make sure they are ready to fulfill the 4 possible notes they can score during an amplified period. 30 seconds remain. Blue with a 22-point advantage so far. 5 notes over the maximum needed for the melody. Red, 1 note away. 1 note being delivered. Clockwork trying to send it to the Alliance. Looks like Humans having a little bit of a loose intake there. Clockwork delivers the final note for the melody. Human player has a score on a microphone. We are wheels up on Blue, 78 in the air, 62-17 as well. We see a red robot in time. Time expires. 21-76. All 4 ranking points for Blue, vaulting them all up in the rankings. 1 melody ranking point for Red as well. Cooperation achieved.